So when you are in the boat, obviously you've signed the waiver with the iPad. We ask you to grab the engine. So basically, when you're grabbing the engine, you'll notice that when you push the boat right, she wants to go left.
Okay.
If it's straight, you go straight.
If you go to left, you go to right.
Yeah. So we always joke, if there's a lot of men in the boat,
Yeah.
we say the engine is like a woman.
Yeah.
You push right, you go left.
Exactly.
And when there's a lot of women in the boat, we say the opposite. So now,
everybody can happy.
Yeah.
I can show you what love's supposed to feel like.